A single barrel hydration tank is an intelligent device that integrates mixing, heating, reaction, and impurity separation. Can be used in conjunction with a centrifugal oil filter. Equipment efficiently removes gelatinous impurities, such as phospholipids and proteins from crude oil. It is a key equipment for improving the quality of oil and fat. Firstly, connect the equipment pipeline and add high-temperature resistant gaskets inside. Connect the power supply. L1 to 3 is the live wire, N is the neutral wire. Open to inlet valves and close to outlet valves. Then turn on the oil pump switch again. Close the oil inlet valve after the crude oil is pumped in. Start stirring and set the speed to 50 gears. Set the temperature controller to 80 degrees Celsius. Add salt water when the oil temperature reaches 60 degrees Celsius. Add 50 kilograms of oil to 1 kilogram of saline water. Simultaneously set the stirring speed to 90 gears. Can turn on the fan. Stir for another 5 minutes when the temperature reaches 80 degrees Celsius. Then stop heating and stirring. Open the oil outlet valve first, and then turn on the oil pump switch. Pump the crude oil into the centrifugal oil filter for filtration.